My name is Amko, welcome to the channel. Today I will be covering what crypto staking is and we will be staking some coins on Binance. And believe it or not, it has got nothing to do with vampires. But if a cryptocurrency you own allows staking like Cardano or Ethereum, you can stake some of your holdings and earn a percentage rate reward over time. This usually happens via a staking pool, which you can think of being similar to a savings account in a traditional bank. But unlike a savings account in a traditional bank, staking crypto renders a much higher reward yield. The reason your crypto earns rewards while staked is because the blockchain puts it to work. Cryptocurrencies that allow staking use a consensus mechanism called proof of stake, which is the way they ensure that all transactions are verified and secured without a bank or payment processor in the middle. Your crypto, if you choose to stake it, becomes part of that process. Proof of stake and proof of work are both mechanisms to try to protect the decentralization of the network. Decentralization means no one person or government can gain control over the network. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Proof of work is the mechanism where people compete to be the next one to be able to write a new block of transactions in the ledger by solving a mathematical equation, which requires high-performing computers, and if they can resolve the equation, they get rewarded with coins for it. It requires huge amounts of energy, which is the reason Elon Musk stopped accepting bitcoins for Teslas. Proof of stake is the mechanism where participating in updating a ledger of transactions by putting your funds at stake and earning a reward for your contribution. Unlike proof of work, where 100,000 computers are racing against each other to be the first one, only one miner is chosen at a time to validate the blockchain, but that miner must lock up some of its coins to be chosen, which is why proof of stake is much more energy efficient. Staking is more suitable for users who plan to hold their coins for the long run. So now you know what staking is, let's stake some coins. Log into your Binance account, click on Finance, click on Binance Earn, scroll down a bit until you see Locked Staking, click on View More, and here above you can choose or search your coins. So in my example, I'm going to search for Cardano, and as you can see, the Cardano tokens locked staking options open up. You can see three options. There are three duration of staking. For 30 days of staking, I get a 5.09 annual percentage yield. But as you can see, it's an annual percentage yield and not a yearly duration. So what that means is you gotta divide this percentage yield by the duration of your staking. In this case, divided by 12 as 30 days equals 1 month. But of course, if you are able to renew each month your staking pool or your staking, then you get the full amount of the annual percentage yield. For 60 days, we get a 7.79% annual percentage yield return. And for 90 days, we get a 8.38% annual percentage yield. But as you can see, the 90 days option is sold out. So what you can do is you can wait 20 minutes after midnight UTC. That is when usually the staking contracts open up again. Or you can go to bswatcher.com, type in your email address, hit the notify me button, choose the token you want to be notified of when the staking opens up again. Hit the submit button, and whenever the staking options open up again, you get an email. So for this example, let's stake our Cardano for 60 days. Hit the stake now button. Type in the amount, so 100 Cardano for example, and you can see I will get 1.28 Cardano tokens as an estimated interest. Hit the I have read and I agree Binance staking service agreement, confirm the purchase, and now you are staking Cardano. You may want to check the taxing rules on your country, as you may have to pay taxes on your staking profits. Go out.